Welcome viewers. Today we are going to make this delicious vegan blueberry pie. Here we have the ingredients needed to make this vegan blueberry pie. 600 grams of spelt flour, 100 grams of coconut sugar, 25 grams of corn flour, 300 grams of vegetable margarine, and 600 grams of organic blueberries, 2 teaspoons of lemon zest, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Using a food processor, add 300 grams of spelt flour and 150 grams of margarine. Cut the margarine into small pieces. Freezing the margarine for 5 to 10 minutes helps when cutting the margarine into small pieces. Process this at a slow speed for approximately 10 seconds or until the mixture looks like coarse breadcrumbs. This is the appearance of breadcrumbs we are trying to achieve. Now we are going to add water, a tablespoon at a time, at a high speed until the mixture looks like it's about to stick together, but be careful not to add too much. Once the dough comes together, wrap in cling film and leave to rest for 1 hour in the fridge. Now for the filling. Put the organic blueberries, corn flour, lemon zest, organic coconut palm sugar, and lemon juice in a bowl and mix well. Now we are going to prepare the pie dish by rolling out the dough. My technique for rolling out the dough is using cling film. This technique I find is less mess and is easy to line the pie dish. Here we have the pie dish lightly greased. Now to line the pie dish, simply place it like this. Then use the cling film to lift it up and turn it over. Now we can peel off the cling film. Then lift up the dough and press down lightly into the pie dish without stretching the dough. Once we have lined the base, we can press lightly into the side of the pie dish. We can now trim the edges of the dough with a sharp knife around the edges of the pie dish. Now we will add the blueberry mixture to the pie base. Smooth out the blueberries to get a nice even level. Now we will roll out the dough, which will cover the top of the pie. As before, we will use my no mess method to roll out the dough using cling film. Now we are ready to cover the top of the pie. Using the cling film, lift up the pastry and place on top of the pie. Remove the cling film and we are now ready to remove the excess around the pie dish with a sharp knife. Using both thumbs, press down on the edges of the pastry. This is to seal the pastry together and also give a pattern to the edges of the pie. Again, cut off the excess around the edges. Then make 4 slits in the lid of the pie to let the steam out while the pie is cooking. Leave the pie to rest in the refrigerator for 1 hour before baking. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 3. Bake the pie in the preheated oven for about 40 to 50 minutes or until the filling is bubbling thickly. Here is a tip. After 30 minutes of baking, protect the edges from overcooking by covering them with foil. Leave pie to cool completely before serving. We have come to the end of the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next upload. Bye.